Whisper. Maybe. Okay. It's okay. You too. You're welcome. No. Stay. Thanks. Move. Help. They're pure energy when fired. Call tails. Clear. Hello. Hello. It's beautiful. Heard her scream. Launch us. Brace yourself. Not again. What are friends for, right? Give it back. He did not. That's not Sonic. Here, watch. Was looking for you too. Trouble. You're being targeted. Not here. Exposed. His name's Mimic. He shapeshifts. He's a mercenary. Betrayed his team. Helped Eggman wipe them out. Took Sonic's form. Started causing trouble. Went to investigate. Found it was him. Been tracking him. Knew he'd likely target you and others too. Was looking for Mimic anyway. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Okay. An invitation. Stop it. No activity outside. Can't scan inside. We're walking into Mimic's trap blind. That's dangerous. No. Now or never. Have to risk it. Yes. He's dangerous. Manipulative. Be on guard. Shh. Don't. Mimic must have kidnapped her after we left. This way. Keep your voice down. She's being used as bait. Looks clear. Check inside the safe. I'll cover you. Prove it. Where is she? Don't you dare. You sold us out. I will make you pay for all of them. Get up. There are bombs. Tangle, go home. No, you're not. I won't lose another friend. I can't. Okay, I'll tell you everything. There were 5 of us. Smithy, our crafter. Me, the scout. Slinger, our marksman. Clairvoyance, our psyop. And Mimic, the infiltrator. We were the diamond cutters. Thanks. We're an anti-Eggman mercenary team. Took the most dangerous missions. I thought we were all committed to the cause. Here, let me show you. The video of our masks was networked. Let us review the missions, study each other's perspectives. 1 patrol, 100 meters from the front gate. Actually, looks like Eggman was expecting us. Tank inbound. Never mind. All clear. Get out of there. Smithy was a genius. Designed our masks, our wristbands, everything. Masks let us communicate, coordinate. He wanted us to act as one. This variable wristband was his prototype. We were all meant to have one. Everyone working as one. Everyone using all the wisps. Everyone. I can't. Yes, but... You think so? If you're sure. Why? Mimic says we're all needed on the ground for this one. You're the psychic. Should we scrub the op? All quiet out here. I waited until it was all clear. Rescued the wisps, went back to base, took Smithy's prototype. Never forget, never forgive. They're named for me, not my idea. It wasn't his fault, but it was difficult to see them. Him. You're the first friend I've allowed myself to have since then. I can't stand the thought of losing anyone again. He nearly destroyed us tonight. You can't be discouraged, can you? Thank you. The trail is cold. It'll take a while to find him. Defied him, embarrassed him. So, yep, this? None. They're decoys. He'll be sneaking into the base now. It's fine. It's fine. It makes me feel so much better when you're down there watching their backs. Aw, Blue. You're right. It's over. The diamond cutters are done. Hush, I don't blame you. So, what'll we do with him? You'll try, you'll fail. We'll bury you deeper each time. Thank you. Do not open it. Eggman is still out there, still a threat. Keep fighting until he's gone. Want to come along? Okay.